Now it's time to automate previously studied actions in Ansible. So we need to prepare a playbook that will allow the following. Build a load generator on a local machine and then transfer its distribution package to a machine with a load generator role. In the future, we will connect to this virtual machine, go to the folder with the distribution package, and run a test. Now let's open the corresponding folder and learn more about the playbook. As we can see, the playbook consists of two parts. The first part builds a load generator on a local machine, and the second part deploys the distribution package to a remote machine with a load generator role. In the defaults, we encounter familiar variables. These are IP addresses and variables responsible for the path of the project folders. The task of assembling the distribution package is divided into several steps. First, the IP addresses in the configuration files are redefined. After that, the previous assemblies are deleted. And at the end, we go to the source folder of the load generator and run the assembly command. After that, Ansible proceeds to the deployment task. In this task, Java is installed on the remote machine. The load generator distribution package is copied to it, and the corresponding execution permission are set to the jar file and sh files. And now let's launch our playbook. That's it, the playbook is running, it remains to wait for its execution. The playbook has completed successfully, and now we can go to the remote machine and run our tests. To do this, open the PuTTY folder and find the private key that was copied there earlier in one of the videos. With this key, we will connect to a remote machine with a load generator role, but first we need to convert it to PuTTY format. To do this, open the WinCP program directory, open the PuTTY folder, and find the PuTTY keygen. Then select the private key and convert it with a new parameter. Save it with the ppk extension. Now open the mremote ng program and connect to the machine with a load generator role. First, we change the IP address to the actual one. After that, we set the configuration of the PuTTY session. Go to the options, create a new profile in which we specify our key, save it. Select the created profile and connect to the remote machine. Now go to the directory with the distribution package. The distribution package has been successfully copied, and we can start any test. Let's start with the Start Open Model scenario. The test is running, and the generator starts to output information to the console. Now let's open Grafana and see the same information in the form of graphs. Yes, the first metrics appeared on Gatling dashboard. After loading the hardware resources utilization dashboard, the changes should also appear. Select a machine with the load generator role. Yes, there are changes. For example, the process of deploying a load generator took place in this period of time. And after it, there is an increase in the use of CPU cores, which is caused by our test. Similar changes are for web server. Now you can stop the test or wait for its completion. It doesn't matter, because in the next video we will launch a new one, analyze the results, and make the first conclusions about the performance of the eShop online store.